For the third capstone assignment, I chose to focus on fisheries in the Pacific Northwest and how they are impacted by ocean acidification. These businesses focus on fishing along the coast of the Pacific, catching different species of fish along with a massive oyster industry. As carbon emissions continue to climb and the ocean gradually becomes more acidic, it becomes less inhabitable for some aquatic species and can lead to the perfect environment for upwelling to destroy the coastline. Ocean acidification and the increasingly poor conditions for some fish to live under will severely impact fish breeding patterns along with outright killing some. Many issues, including invasive species in the water, upwelling, and nutrient pollution, are leading to the loss of aquatic habitats that local fish call home. Oysters are especially susceptible to slight environmental changes, with ocean acidification spelling out their demise explicitly. If significant changes are not made in preventing and weakening some of these issues, the entire fishing industry, worth $1.2 billion in Washington state alone, will collapse. This will cause the loss of tens of thousands of jobs and deliver a crippling blow to the economy of the northwestern states, along with the loss of multiple species and natural coastal environments. Focusing on lowering carbon emissions and being careful about the amount of ocean acidification that happens in the world can hopefully have a positive effect on the northwestern fisheries of America.